Hey creators, marketers, and brand builders. What if I told you that your next stunning product photo shoot could be done without a camera? No expensive gear, no models, no studio, just you and AI. Introducing Seelab, your AI-powered image studio that generates custom high-quality visuals perfectly matched to your brand with just a few clicks. Check the link in the description box to get lifetime access, and yes, it's insanely affordable. Let's be honest, organizing traditional photo shoots is a headache. It's costly, time-consuming, and even after all that, the results might not match your bro shoot setup, stressed-out team. You've been there, right? It's 2025, there's got to be a better way. That's where Seelab comes in. With this tool, you can generate product or brand visuals from a simple prompt. Train the AI with your own brand images. Edit, erase, and replace objects with pixel-perfect precision, and collaborate with your entire team in one sleek workspace. Show Seelab dashboard. This is like having your own AI-powered design team, but with superpowers. Let me walk you through the magic. 1. Type a prompt. Luxury skincare flat lay with marble background. Boom. Done. 2. Don't love the result? Pick from multiple variations. 3. Want to train it in your style? Upload 5 to 10 photos and create a custom AI model in 30 minutes. 4. Need edits? Just click and type what you want replaced. It's crazy accurate. Real use case. Imagine you're launching a new candle line. No need to hire a photographer. Just train Seelab on your past photos and let it create your new campaign. Total cost? A fraction. Time? A few minutes. If you're ready to say goodbye to expensive shoots and hello to faster, better brand visuals, then Seelab is your new secret weapon. Check the link in the description box below to grab the lifetime deal on AppSumo while it lasts. Smash that like button if this blew your mind. Subscribe for more AI tools and tell me in the comments, what kind of image would you generate with Seelab? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.